Hi, I'm Ann Marie Walts. And in this tutorial, what I want to do is just share with you a quick overview of what Go High Level has. Now, if you've never heard of Go High Level, what is it? Well, Go High Level software is an all in one marketing automation platform that can really help streamline your business, and you can have everything all in one dashboard while even saving money because of all the features and solutions that you'll have inside owning an account with Go High Level will ultimately save you money from not having to have different subscriptions with different companies. And I can say this because I previously, before finding Go High Level, I had many different softwares to have my own software stack for my local business. I actually own a couple businesses. One's a salon, and one is also a marketing agency. So when you're able to have just one dashboard, it saves you time for starters. So right now, I'm just going to give you a quick overview. You're going to find that here is the launch pad, and in the where you can have really quick connections here, because like it says here, you can generate more leads with your Google My Business page. You can connect to Facebook. There's even a chat widget that you can put on your website and your funnels. You can integrate with Stripe, Yext, WordPress, and then you can quickly add team members. And we're just only on the launch pad. So, who is this type of software for? Well, in my instance, I happen to one of my local businesses, I own a salon. And then within our family, my we also own an auto repair garage. So in that use case, what we wind up using would be what's called the conversations. So right here, and I'm inside a demo account just so that I'm not sharing any personal information. But when it comes to conversations, what happens is that when you have a contact in here, then you would be able to communicate all in this one dashboard. And if you need a booking application, you can book appointments and Go High Level. You can have unlimited contacts. And then, even in the contact area here, it's just really simple to use. You can add a contact, you can add them to a pipeline. There's automations. You can send a text message, send an email. You can even tag and categorize your contacts based on a bunch of different variables, from where did you find them, where did they find you, what campaign. Then you can send review quests right from here, export contacts, import contacts, add to a company. So this is really great for streamlining and keeping all of your contacts organized for your business. Then there's opportunities. And so if you like or need to have a pipeline, you can then really, again, keep things nice and organized and orderly. And with the thing that makes Go High Level so powerful are the automations that you can actually build within the system. So you can actually automate even your lead stages, so that when, say, you have a lead that goes from a hot lead to a booking request, well, you can drag them over here, and then in the background, maybe what you have set up is an automated email or text message to go out to communicate with the customer, or even possibly your team. Because over here, there's a notification area, and that you can send internal notifications to yourself. And this is also the nice running feed of the interactions that come inbound from your customers. There's a full payment integration area, so you can create invoices, documents, templates. You can template your invoice and documents so that you don't have to keep manually making new ones. There's a few different payment vendors. You can keep track of your orders here. You can create subscription based kind of products for recurring subscriptions. You can create one off payment links. And with those, that's really a cool feature when you are then having a conversation with somebody. If you need to have like text to pay and collect payment through texting, you can do that. This is where your transactions will be. Products. This platform also has a full e-commerce solution. Or you can also, if you are a course educator and you need to make products that it would be your courses, you can do that. There's also a new fully integrated solution with Printful on demand dropship products. They just GoHighLevel just integrated with them. So you can really set up a store for yourself. You can create coupons. And of course, there's the setting. And then under marketing, you have a social planner. So you can stream to all of these very popular social media channels. So there's Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, LinkedIn, connect to X, formerly known as Twitter, and also TikTok. And then under emails, you can create campaigns. So maybe you're possibly using like an email provider such as like Active Campaign. That's who I was using before. Now, what's nice is you don't need to, because you can have everything right under here. And then when it comes to say even when you make the email template builder, all you have to do is like drag and drop. You can drag and drop your items. And so then let's just go back here a minute. Whoop, pardon me. We'll go back here a second. So then as you move on, there's an affiliate manager. So maybe you want to make a promotion, maybe you're into affiliate marketing and you have products. You can actually build your own affiliate community for yourself and have people be able to refer you. And then, of course, you can then reward them. And the automations, as I was speaking about, there are plenty of automations that you can build. And what's really nice is if you're not quite yet familiar on how to build automations, there's already some templates like to jumpstart your process. And then if you are somebody that likes to just really get busy with making your own type of automations, well, then when you do that, you can come in here and then you can decide what's going to be the starting point. That's called a trigger. And then you can take a look, and there's just so many very useful things that you can make in here, from birthday reminders to you just name it, payment received. Maybe you're already working with Shopify. Maybe you need autoresponders for comments on your social media. What you can do in this section is just endless. Okay. And then let's talk about, you need a website, maybe whether it be for your business, maybe you're a course creator, or you want to use this for your agency, or maybe you want to become an agency. When it comes to making like websites, there are a bunch of very, very, very nice, useful templates with over 1,000 templates in here. So, and then again, when it comes to creating a new website, here, I'll even do one right now, just a real quick, just to give you a sneak peek here. Okay. You can build one from scratch if you'd like. And we'll do like say test, and we'll do test. Okay, create new page. And then what's nice about the create a new page is that you can then also you can utilize other websites that maybe you have already made. So funnel, And of course, this is there you go, right here. We'll do this one right here. All right, funnel step, home. So there's already a funnel in here. So if you want to duplicate it, you can do that. And then you'd be able to import that template or even a portion of that. And then you'll have your stats, your sales, their security features, settings. All right. Now, when it comes to, say, funnels, you can just go here. If you want to use one of the templates, then you can go right here. And then you'll see there's just a full library of a whole bunch of different categories depending on what your business is. Maybe you're a plumber, creator, maybe you're a photographer or salon. There's just a little bit of something for everyone. And then next, the platform has what's called memberships. So imagine how creative you can get by having your own membership and courses for your business. You can wind up creating your own community. So then what you do is you create your products, and then you can create your offers. Then you'd create your groups, and then you can create a community. And then within the community, you can actually sell if you want to put a price on your offer for your products, which would be little mini courses, or you can offer them for free if you just want to add some extra value. And then if you own a business, who doesn't need good reviews, right? So then this has built in a reputation management system. So that way you can send review requests. There's even a nice widget so you can embed it and put it on your website. You can customize the colors so that they match your brand. And then you're going to find there's reporting. So you can import your Google ads so that you can see those live. This right here is just filler dummy content. There's attribution. So you can know more, again, like where's your traffic coming in to your funnels. There's agent reporting. So if you need to keep track of your sales team, you need to work on efficiency and call metrics, and you have that at your fingertips. There's Facebook ads. Again, this is demo content filler. But when you hook up your Facebook ads account, it can come right into your GoHighLevel account, and you have everything right there for reporting and analyzing. And then the call reporting. The call reporting is very beneficial because with this system, it has a fully integrated phone system where you're going to be able to record your sales calls for quality control as well as training. And this way you can keep tabs on that for all calls, incoming and outgoing. And then there's the appointment report. So again, you have more analytics to keep an eye on that. And then, wait, there's more. There's also a mobile app that comes with the system. And so that's this way you can have your business with you on the go and have everything that you need for the essentials to be able to book appointments, send an invoice, call from the app, all at your fingertips. And it is available on the Play Store as well as the Apple Store for your iPhone. And so there's an inside look. And what's the beauty about this is you might not need all of it, but you might need some of it. And as your business expands and as it grows, there's so much that you can do with using GoHighLevel that take a look for take a look at the platform for yourself to see how it is that you might be able to utilize it. And so that's an inside overview. I'm Ann Marie Walts, and you can find more information down in the description of this overview video. I am a third party. I don't work for GoHighLevel. If you do click on my affiliate link and if you do make a purchase, I will receive some sort of affiliate compensation if you were to use the link and make a purchase. But the reasons why I love GoHighLevel is because I actually use it. It's done wonders for my actual salon business and for our family businesses. And I think the best thing that I love about the system in itself is the fact that it's helped me with my business be able to have faster conversations, because just even the conversations tied to the automations, if I miss a phone call or if you miss a phone call and you have what's called missed call text back. So what is that? You miss a call, the automation fires off a text message, which then the customer would then get an autoresponder and it starts the conversation. Is by far one of the best solutions that I know that I could have implemented within my business, and I can't live without it now. So thank you so much for your time. If you find this video helpful, drop a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. And you have an amazing day.